Before the official discharge, the goods should be carefully inspected for lack of damage. After confirming that it is correct, you can unfasten it according to the demonstration method. Or cut it with a knife. Pull the hole out of the container. When pulling out of the hole, in order to prevent the container from colliding with the ground due to the height difference, it is necessary to use the support plate, and the dragging should be slower. Get the ball upright. For this step, you can choose to use a forklift and boom, or two large forklifts. Use a wrench to unscrew the frame. Use a small chainsaw to cut through the aluminum plates attached to the frame. Can't cut it completely, keep a distance from the hole to prevent damage. Remove the aluminum sheet using a small hammer and wrench tool. You can see that the saw-off is still some distance from the hole. Prepare the sander and polish the cut-off area cleanly and smooth. Usually grinding will have a certain angle, so it is relatively smooth. After the bottom of the boat is handled, the boat can be moved to a trailer. Secure the roof and raise it over the barb. Run the wire through the reserve opening before lowering the sealant. There are different numbers on the wires. Connect wires with the same number. There's room for wires underneath. Prepare the wrench and fix the ceiling and cabin screws in turn. Unscrew the nut on top. Then fix the baffle on the outside. There are a total of 8 positions in the cabin to install screws. Closed cabin bolts need to be fitted with doors. Install screws in 14 positions of the door frame. After finishing these, you can choose to apply glue to the gaps to seal and secure. After completing these steps, congratulations, you can enjoy the sea.